How's your crisped rice? Is it crackling and snapping and popping? Well, it sure is, isn't it? What are you working on?
Seeing what causes tornadoes.
How come?
Mom wants to know.
You're doing a report about tornadoes?
No.
Oh, you're just doing some research for your mom? Nice. You want to go on a walk with us? Okay, we'll be right back, okay? Okay?
Okay.
When your sister wakes up, Sunny? Sunny,
What?
when your sister wakes up, I poured her some cereal right here, okay? Will you tell her?
Sure.
Thanks. Did you learn anything about tornadoes that you want to share with us? Nothing?
Not yet. This seems very funny though.
What?
Is it safe to hide in the bathroom during a tornado?
To hide in a bathroom? What's the answer?
Isn't it yes?
If there's no windows?
Yep.
Okay. Mark, walk.
I'm not good. We're at Lake Conroe / something kind of KOA,
Houston, I think.
north of Houston.
Yeah, but it's like that slash.
Lake Conroe / Houston,
Yeah, you know how they
KOA.
try to bring two cities into one for one KOA.
Yeah.
Because it's the closest KOA to Houston.
We had to search high and low to find a pool that was open this time of year for the kids, but that one's under a roof, so it was open. But this place is huge.
Gigantic.
Jumping pillow over here. Playground over here. A couple of lakes, cabins, basketball, horseshoes, all these games here. Horseshoes back there. Yeah. There's this, well, I'll show you when we get closer, but there's this lake over here that's surrounded by cabins. More cabins than I've ever seen at any KOA in my life. Yeah, we're just taking Mo for a little walk. Getting our morning exercise, or alone time. The only time we get to be alone without the kids. Oh. I'll take Mo to the dog park here, see if he goes on one of these teeter-totters. What do you got in there, babe?
I have sauce, onions, mushrooms, sausage, and green and orange peppers.
Yeah.
Now we're just going to turn it on low. Make sure it's all flat. Pour your egg, and then you'll just cook.
Beautiful. I can't wait to eat it. These kids manage to make the biggest mess every time we're in the car for more than 10 minutes. So I always give it a little vacuum and a little wipe down at least so it's clean for
our next trip.
half a second.
Yeah, it's gross in here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I know.
One chip?
Sure.
Gross.
Oh, I would have ate it.
Look, it has hair all over it.
Oh.
Let's put it back. So today I am going to cut Mo's hair. He's due for a haircut. Get him out there. He's all super shaggy.
Hi, Shaggy.
Stuff gets caught in his hair. And we usually take him to the groomer. We did back home like every 3 months. And so it's really hard to do on the road for us because he really doesn't like other people. And at least back home, he'd been going there since he was a puppy, as much as he didn't like grooming, but he knew the same 3 people that groomed him every time he went in. So I bought a dog shaving kit last night, and we are going to give this a try. I have attempted this a couple times before, but I didn't have really good razors. I always use cheap ones, so now I got a heavy duty one, so there's no excuse to, and this will also save us money, I think, in the long run, because he does need haircuts regularly, especially in the summer. It's almost every month that he could really use a haircut, or every other month. Month and a half, maybe. I don't remember. His hair grows really fast, and then grows really, it's super, super thick hair. And he just, being black, the color he is, that black all over, he just cooks. So, we'll see how it goes. This should be fun. What's gonna happen to you today? Huh? Huh?
I did this tons of times before.
Yeah, Sunny Bunny made us all lunch. Did he make your lunch too? Oh, he made my lunch. Yum. Did he make your lunch, Nan?
That's his.
Oh, that's your lunch?
That's Nan's right now.
Oh, this is your sister's, a cheese roll-up?
Yep.
Wow,
I'll
made
make
to,
you another one if you want.
made to order. Thank you, Sunny.
You're welcome.
You're amazing. Give me a hug. Mwah. Quit. I'm trying to do a video.
When are we going to go swimming?
I
I'm
tried
so
so hard. I'm
tired.
like, your mom would love these purple cactuses. I have to get the right picture. Like, I stopped on the side of the road. We're like heading to a desert area
Dad,
to find the perfect purple cactus.
slow.
Scott's like, this will be good. I'm like, no, it's not. It has to
What?
be beautiful
I'm
purple.
going to go swimming. Yes, I am actually recording.
What are you doing?
We're actually recording.
No,
So.
Okay, you get your swimsuit on, and then we can go, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, but you can't just go diving with your clothes.
Well, I'll get my swimsuit on too.
With those headphones right now.
No, can I work on this give me a half an hour to work on this video, okay? We'll go at 3:30.
That's 30 minutes longer. We've been waiting for hours. Bryson already has a swimsuit on. We're only giving you 10 more minutes.
Give me 20.
Fine.
Okay, 3:20.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Going, Cindy?
Swimming.
We're taking old grandma with us?
I will.
Oh, grandma. And her haircut.
Well, stand up, give us a preview of your haircut.
Okay, old grandma.
Little pretty of her new haircut. That camera freaks him out.
Does this camera freak you out, Mo?
Yeah, because you look into the eyes of all the cameras with that one.
Oh, Mo, you look so great.
You look even more special than you were before.
You don't want golden eyes, though. You already had enough golden eyes. You can't get any cuter than that, Mo. I promise. Okay, let's go.
Alright, anybody that's subscribed to our channel can see that we started to do daily videos now. Instead of just our weekly kind of highlights, updates. We thought we'd give this a try for a little bit, see how it goes. I will keep making the weekly videos until we're kind of caught up to where we are in time, so then we'll kind of all flow together with just our daily videos. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. Click that notifications bell, and also like our videos, share them with your friends, add some comments if you like, and please enjoy. And give us some feedback on our new daily videos if you like them, or if you think they're interesting, or if you want to see more or want to see less, let us know. Alright, thanks.
Please don't dislike.